Hey, and welcome, guys. Thank you so much for being here again. This is Mustapha speaking, MrFulltime.com. So, today again, we'll be talking about a new website in the same section of where and how to find some great domain names. But this website is different than the last websites we saw in the previous videos. So this website is specialized in geographic domain names or geodomain names. Our website today is DnProbe.com. So let's go discover this website together. But before that, we'll be talking a little bit about what is geodomain name. So as we said earlier, geodomains are geographic domain names, which means country or city plus service or profession. So that is a geographic domain name. As example, California barber or California hairdresser, California nailsalon.com, California restaurant.com, and so on. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So as always, you just go to your browser and just type in DnProbe.com. DN is for domain name, and here is the homepage of the website. You just go here and click geodomains generator. You go down, as you can see here. We can just write our service or our profession right here that we are looking for. For example, right here, nail salon. Here, you just select your location, for example, US cities. Here, we want this keyword at the end, your TLD or your extension right here. We'll just go with .com, then just click generate. You go down here and you can see the results right here. So you can just check one by one again. You can check NewYorkNailSalon.com. As you can see, NewYorkNailSalon.com. Even it shows you the population, and you can even click appraise to appraise that domain name on GoDaddy. And the status, if it's taken, then we can go and check if there is some available domains like this one. As you can see, sanjosenailsalon.com with 1 million plus in population. You can just appraise this one. It's 500. It's better to be like something like more than $1,000. So when you start negotiating with the potential buyer, you can just ask for higher price, and at the end you can sell for something like 500 as a discounted price. But if it's showing already in GoDaddy appraisal that is like 500, 600, 700, then the price would be less than 500, as you can see here. So we can go to the second one, fortworthnailsalon.com, appraise 400 only. Again, louisvillenailsalon.com, 600,000 population, appraise 700. So again, albuquerquenailsalon.com, 700. Again, same thing. So you can just go one by one and check. For example, you can just go with this one, wichitanailsalon.com, with about 400,000 population. The appraisal is $792, and you can just check, just click register and check if it's available. As you can see, it's available, but there are many other things you have to check before you decide to buy this or no. You can just take the domain name and check on Google and other websites if there are many potential end users to contact, because here, like in most cases, we just go with outbound marketing, which is contacting the potential end users or potential businesses that would be interested to incur our domain name, which are nail salons in Wichita City, as you can see. So we can just go and check on Google, on other search engines, on other related websites where we can find some related businesses, and just collect their email addresses and their contacts, then try to reach out to them and just inform them that we own this domain name and it's for sale. If they are interested, they can just submit some offers to you. Otherwise, you can just buy with your price if you put already the buy now price. Yeah, so you can just go with this website and just check other services here. You can just type in anything here, for example, attorney, and just click again generate. You can go with UK, Canada. I think they have here many locations right here, so you can just check. I'm sure all are taken because it's a very strong keyword. So yeah, as you can see, they are all taken. So yeah, as I said, like you can go one by one, just check the services. We will go again later how to find some great services to target. It would be in our next videos. So just stay tuned, just follow our videos and watch our previous videos to get an idea and go with us like step by step from scratch. Just again, reach out to me with your questions. I have my social media accounts in the description below. So you can just reach out to me anytime with your questions. I would be really happy to assist you anytime. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I didn't want to make it long. So I wish you good luck once again. And thank you so much for being here. Mustapha was here, MrFulltime.com.